Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very well-equipped 2016 Ford Explorer Limited 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9858A. 73,000 miles on this one-owner local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Shadow black in color. Explorer seat 7. Leather interior. Middle row outboard seats are also heated, along with rear climate control. Seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row of the seats too. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Power stowing seats, fold with the push of a button. Will also reverse and go back into the upright position. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Fixed skylight over the second row. This Limited has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, along with power adjustable pedals and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large My Ford Touch touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, automatic climate control along with heated seats, cooled seats, as well as heated steering wheel. Front seats also have a massage feature. Radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity.
Search for sync on your device.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate. Automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, moonroof, and sunshade control, and home link transmitter for grab. Under the hood, this Explorer has a 3.5 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and new tires on the 20-inch wheels. For more information on this Explorer, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.